Okay, so today I'm going to show you a reversible reaction in order to demonstrate chemical equilibrium. The reaction is cobalt chloride, which is blue, that will react with water, 6 moles of water, and form a cobalt chloride hydrate, 6 water. So that color is deep rose. I prepared 2 samples. One is solid, like this. If you look at this solid, you see it is deep rose color. So it's a cobalt chloride hydrate with 6 water. The other sample I prepared equally distributed into the two test tubes. So they are the same solution. They are cobalt chloride in water. They also have color of deep rose. So they also have a molecular formula of cobalt chloride with water. Okay, so now the first step, I'm going to heat one of the liquid sample using the flame. Okay, so let's see, until it boils, and you will see the color will change. Right now, if I shake, have you noticed the color change? Okay, so now if I compare 2 of them, you see the left one, which is heated, has blue color. The right one is still red color. Okay? So if I put both of them in the ice, you will see what happened after a while. Okay, we can wait for a second. Now let's look at a solid sample. Okay, so this one is cobalt chloride with hydrate water. It's deep rose. So what happened if I heat it? Okay. So I just try to heat gradually. If I heat for a very long time and then do not move it, what happens is it will crack. So that's why I wanna just slowly and gently heat it. Okay. So now with the heating of this solid cobalt chloride with hydrate, 6 hydrate, if we look at the bottom, which has the highest temperature, we can see clearly the temperature, the color has been changed to this blue, right? Blue color. Okay. The top is still red because the top one has no heat or less heat, so that has still hydrate. But the bottom one has been changed to blue, which is cobalt chloride with no water in its formula. Okay. So now we can put aside. Hopefully, put on the ice. Hopefully it will not crack. Let me cover it. And then let's check what happened if for the ones that I put in the ice. This one, the tube here has been heated previously, but this one is no heat. So after I put in the ice, what you can see is that the blue color originally, after heating, changed back to the red color. So that means the reaction comes back from the cobalt chloride to the cobalt chloride with hydrate. Okay. And then if we look at this one, if we wait long enough, put in the ice, you will see pretty soon. I won't say pretty soon, but after some time, you will get back to the deep rose, which is cobalt chloride 6 water hydrate. Okay, so this experiment tells us the reaction for this type of reaction is quite reversible, and the reaction equilibrium constant here is kind of intermediate. Okay, let's see. Yes. Right. If I bring out now, remember previously it was deep blue, but right now it becomes pale blue, and then if I wait for a little bit longer, you will see it will be all deep rose. Okay.